Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Verdie. I am a licensed nail tech, small business owner, and content creator. So today I am going to be reviewing Madam Glam's pudding gels. This set that I'm reviewing is their green pudding gels bundle. So you get all 4 of their gels in this bundle. I'm going to be doing some swatches and then just painting my nails. And I'm just going to warn everyone, I am not the neatest painter when it comes to gel polish. Um, so do not come for me. Just, I don't know, just watch and just use it for relaxation purposes. This is not a tutorial on how to apply gel polish. I do have some tips because I did recognize while I was doing it what went wrong, but we'll talk about that in a bit. Not what went wrong, what I could have done better. So we'll talk about that in a bit. The first swatch that I'm doing is taupe beige. And when you're doing when you're using like a more pigmented or a thicker consistency gel polish, you want to try your best to work in the thinnest layers so that each layer fully cures, especially with the darker colors. So you might have to go in with 2 coats, and even though it's pigmented, sometimes you might have to do that 3rd coat just because you want to work in the thinnest layers possible. If you're walking around with uncured polish, the first day it might look fine, but the second day it'll start to lift and like kind of buckle, and if you were to peel it off, it would be sticky. That's not how it should be. If you're doing that on nail enhancements or your natural nail plate or whatever, you do have the potential to cause some allergies. This color is called olive. The previous color was olive green. This 3rd color is army green. And the last color I'm going to swatch is pine green. Again, that was their greens bundle. So I have used Madam Glam before, and it is one of, in my opinion, I think it's a really good brand of gel polish. It is certified vegan. It's palm oil free, so that's an environmental thing there. It's cruelty free, so they don't test on animals, and it's a 21 free formula, so it does not have 21 of the most toxic chemicals. So I don't like to say healthy because at the end of the day it's all chemicals, but this is a quality brand that doesn't have as much chemicals as most gel polishes. So we're going to leave it at that. For the swatches, I did do 2 coats, and here are all the colors here. And typically I don't go for greens or blues. I usually, if I'm in the green or blue family, it's like an aqua or a teal or maybe a mint. So this was something different for me. And honestly, I was trying to think of a design, and I was just like, okay, these colors for me, for my level of creativity, I could not come up with a design. I couldn't get an inspiration. And it's because I really don't like the color green. And it has nothing to do with the gel polish because they're nice colors. It's just, it wasn't sparking anything for me. And I know that might sound weird or whatever, but you guys, on this channel, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not going to come on my videos and act like every single video I'm motivated, every single design I love. I'm not going to do that. I will leave in my mistakes. I will tell you where I messed up. Just because I have a license doesn't mean that I am perfect. We didn't learn how to apply gel polish in nail school other than just doing a manicure and speaking about that for one day. So, you know, the license doesn't really give you the authority or make you better. It comes with practice. So what I said in the beginning is like, I know what I messed up on. I know what I'll do better. The next time I use these pudding gels, I'm going to make sure there's not so much gel in my brush, because even though this product doesn't move, it's still pulled in the brush, and I still got a little bit of pulling on my sidewalls and my cuticle areas. So I was trying to have enough because I was doing long nails, but as you can even see in this shot here, there's a little bit too much on my brush. So that is one tip that I can provide for you guys as far as application, just don't overload your brush with product. And I think that's pretty much like across the line on pudding gels, regular gels, poly gel, base coat, top coat. So just be cautious of how much product is in your brush. And then I do have a cleanup brush that I did. I had a little paper towel off to the side that was damp with alcohol. So I would just wipe the excess polish off my skin or the sidewall area, and then just wipe the brush on the napkin on the side. So that's what I'm doing when you see my hand going off screen. So I don't particularly like the color green, but I think these are still nice colors, if that makes sense. Let me know if that makes sense. Like, I think this is a pretty color, but it's just not for me. But overall, I do like the quality of these products. And I did pick green because I wanted to step outside of my comfort zone, but it just didn't spark any creativity for me. So I'm going to try again. I'm going to try and, I don't know, get some designs that aren't my typical colors that I like, which is purple and pink and teal. But I'm trying, you guys. I'm really trying. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know some other brands of the pudding gel. I know these are kind of popular. There's a lot of companies doing palettes right now. Let me know if there's anything you'd want to try, and if it's something that is doable, I definitely will accommodate. So just want to know what you guys are using now. Have you guys tried the pudding gels? Let me know in the comments down below, and please don't laugh at my application or come for me for my application. I did the best I could. So here's the final shot. I appreciate you guys spending your time with me. I do want to say the nails that I applied were Kiara Sky Jelly Tips, and I'm going to link that video in the end card so you could see how I got that application on those tips with my wide nail bed. So definitely check out that video if you're interested. I will see everybody back here again on Monday for another video. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much for spending your time with me.